Hi everyone, and welcome back to Bestseller Product. Today we're diving into the world of smart home security with a review of some of the best video doorbells currently available on Amazon USA. Whether you're looking for crystal clear video quality, wire-free convenience, or a budget-friendly option, there's a video doorbell out there that's perfect for your needs. So, before you hit that buy button, let's go through some helpful tips to consider when choosing a video doorbell. Tips for buying a video doorbell. Wired versus wireless. Wired video doorbells offer a more stable connection but require professional installation. Wireless options are easier to set up but may have occasional signal drops. Resolution. Higher resolution video, like 2K or 5MP, provides sharper images and clearer details. Field of view. A wider field of view allows you to see more of your porch or doorway. Night vision. Good night vision is essential for capturing clear footage at night. Motion detection and alerts. Motion detection with customizable zones ensures you only get alerts for relevant activity. Two-way talk. Two-way talk allows you to communicate with visitors directly through the doorbell. Storage. Cloud storage or a local micro SD card slot allows you to save recorded footage. Compatibility. Make sure the doorbell is compatible with your existing smart home ecosystem. Now, let's jump into the product reviews. Here are 5 of the top video doorbells available on Amazon USA, with a breakdown of their key features, pros, and cons. Wyze Wireless Video Doorbell Pro, chime included, 1440 HD video. Key features: 1440p HD video, two-way talk, customizable motion detection zones, chime included. Pros: affordable, easy to install, wireless, good balance of features. Cons: lower resolution compared to some competitors, may require a subscription for cloud storage. AOSU Doorbell Camera Wireless. 5MP Ultra HD, no monthly fee, 2.4/5 GHz Wi-Fi video doorbell with home base. Key features: 5MP Ultra HD video, no monthly fees, wireless design, home base for local storage, optional. Pros: exceptional video quality, budget-friendly, no monthly fees, wire-free convenience. Cons: requires separate purchase of home base for local storage, may have weaker signal strength compared to wired options. UFI Security, battery video doorbell C210 kit, Wi-Fi connectivity. Key features: 2K resolution video, two-way talk, long-lasting battery life, wireless design. Pros: convenient wire-free design, good video quality, long battery life. Cons: lower resolution compared to some competitors, may require more frequent recharging. Relink Doorbell Wi-Fi Camera Wired 5MP Outdoor Video Doorbell. Key features: 5MP resolution video, wide field of view, excellent night vision, wired connection. Pros: exceptional video quality, wide field of view for better coverage, reliable wired connection. Cons: requires professional installation, no battery backup in case of power outage. Google Nest Doorbell, wired, formerly Hello Video Doorbell with 24/7 streaming. Key features: 2K resolution video, 24/7 video streaming, two-way talk, integrates with Google Home ecosystem. Pros: seamless integration with Google Home, 24/7 monitoring, familiar voice controls. Cons: requires wired installation, subscription required for some features. Recommendation: the best video doorbell for you depends on your individual needs and priorities. Consider the factors we discussed earlier, like wired versus wireless, resolution, and compatibility with your smart home system. If you're looking for a balance of features and affordability, the Wise Wireless Video Doorbell Pro is a great option. For the most exceptional video quality, the AOSU or Real-Link doorbells are strong contenders. And if you prioritize seamless integration with Google Home, the Google Nest Doorbell is the way to go. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this review has helped you narrow down your search for the perfect video doorbell for your smart home. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and smart home content.